YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some subtle upgrades to the truck. Stay tuned. Very exciting day because these came in today and we're going to attach them to the bed of the truck. First things first, we have to prep this, the side, the back end, and the other side. So there's two different tones of color. You have the red, grayish, white. The red portion is where we're gonna peel this backing tape off, and the adhesive will go onto the surface.